Hi friends, how are you? I hope all of you are doing good in your life. Dear friends, you have opened this video as all of you are eager to learn a very important tool, that is mind map. In my previous video, I discussed one of a freely available mind map software, that is a MindMister. In this video, I am going to discuss about another mind map, that is Coggle. Dear friends, this software is also freely available. Before going into a detail of this software, I just want to brief you what is mind map. Mind map is nothing but it's an excellent tool by which you can convert your thinking process in a form of pictures. Dear friends, it's a tool by which you can present your thoughts on a piece of paper or on a computer. It's a tool by which you can convert your thoughts in a colorful visual pictures. In our life, many times we are supposed to go through a thinking process. And that time we require a tool by which we can give the words to our thinking process, or we can give a picture to our words. Mind map is one of the tools by which you can do it. Many of the professionals in their life, they are supposed to go through a thinking process for execution of a particular task. And then that thinking process, they are supposed to convert into a words or in a picture form so that that can be transferred to the others. In my previous video, I discussed about one of a freely available mind map software, that is MindMister. In this video, I'm going to tell you the another mind map software that is also freely available, that is Coggle. There are a lot of mind map softwares are available, and in my future videos, I will discuss one by one each of our mind map software. So now, dear friends, let's go to learn the Coggle link is mind coming. Map software. So we are supposed to open it. I'm sharing my now, screen, once we open my dear friends. It will ask for the sign up. So we are supposed to sign up. So just click on this sign up. We are supposed to go to Google. Now you can sign up for this software, and then we are supposed to type our software name, signing up with my Google account. Now once we click on Google, it will ask for the Google account. So I am giving my Google account now. Then it will ask for the password. Then next. Now once we do it, here you can see it is asking for that why you want to use this software. So like it is asking whether you belong to education or IT. So as I belong to education, or I am a teacher, so I can click on this teacher. And then there are two kind of things, concept and mind maps. So I will click on mind maps and then done. Now it is showing that create a new diagram. This is showing that if you want to make your new diagram, you can click on this. And if you want to upgrade the software, we are supposed to click on it. Here at the left hand side top, it is showing my login account, and it is showing that created by you, shared by you, and galleries and create folders. So let's go and make a new mind map. So I'm clicking on this as I want to make new diagram, new mind map. So create diagram. Once I click on this diagram, you can see that that kind of one block is appearing, and it is showing here click to add title. Okay, just to show the title of this block, as I am making this mind map for the career opportunities after 12, so we are supposed to change it. Now here I can write career after 12. Now you can see here, once we type the text here, a lot of icons are appearing above of that. Now if this A is for text formatting, this is if you want to link some website, this is to upload an image, this is to connect the icons. Now let us start with A. If I click on this A, there are three options of editing available. B indicates bold, I indicates italic, and this is for alignment. So like if I want to make the text which I have written here, if I want to make it bold, just click on this bold. If you want to make it italic, just click on this italic. If you want to align it, alignment option is not available with the free version, so that we cannot do it. So only bold and italic option is available, and you can upload the image also. Once I click on this, it will ask for the browse of image. You can choose the image, and once you choose the image and select it and open it, that image will be appear in this block. Now once you click at the outside of that block, now this particular central block is having 4 arrows, and if you go to any of the arrow, it will convert into a plus sign. So once I click on this plus sign, it will automatically create another block which is connected to the parent block. So here, suppose if a student has finished his or her 12th, he can finish that 12th from maths. He can finish that 12th with a biology. He or she can finish 12th by art, or he or she can finish 12th by commerce stream. Now these are the 4 options available. Now if a student has finished his or her 12th by biology, then what are the career options available? So once you, at the end of biology, once you click, it will be converted into a plus sign, and once I click on that plus, another block will appear. So a student can go for MBBS. Now another option, the student can do BSc also. Another option, the student can do biotech also. And there are other opportunities are also available. So I am writing simply more. Now if you click on this, since you can change the colors of these connecting links also, but that is available in the advanced version. If you upgrade the software, then only it will be possible. In a free version, you cannot change the color of these links as per your choice. It will by default. So that's also okay. It is going to serve our purpose. Now if a student is having mathematics, he can go for bio. He or she can go for BTech. He can go for BSc also, biotech also, and more. Similarly, if the student has chosen for BTech, in BTech also a lot of options are available. So we want to give some links to this also. So either a student can do BTech in CSE, or can do BTech in EEE, or can do BTech in ECE, or can do BTech in mechanical. Now in CSE also a lot of options are available nowadays. Can go for cyber, can go for artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, can go for gaming, and a lot of options are available. In ECE also a lot of options are available. So like this. Now similarly, if the student is for commerce stream, then BCom is one of the option available. Then BBA is available, and many more. Similarly, if a student has completed his or her MTech from arts, the option available BBA, then BA, then more. So with the help of Google, we can make such kind of mind maps where we can represent our views in form of colorful images. I hope, dear friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this software and that will be great learning for you. That information, whatever I have shared in this video, that will be very useful for you. If you want to see these kind of videos and you are interested to learn the new tools, then please watch my video and subscribe my channel so that in future if I will make more videos, you will get the notification of that. Thank you.